What's good, everyone? I got sent this comment and I think it's a good idea. So let's make some knobs and handles for these two boxes. First, I'm gluing up some pine and walnut material to make the top and bottom material. The top and bottom material is glued up, so let's work on the core material. Now I'm adding some pockets in the core material. I had to cut the pieces in half so I could finish the pockets. Now I'm cutting some walnut into some thinner pieces. Now I'm cutting strips out of that same material, and I'm gonna do the same thing with some pine material. Now I'm gluing the strips into the pockets that I made. The cores are done drying now, so let's clean them up. First, I cleaned the edges of the cores. Now I'm cutting the strips flush to the piece. Now I'm cutting the edges flush. Now I'm gluing the two halves of the cores back together. The core material was done drying, so now I'm planing it down to its final thickness. The cores are done, so let's work on the top and bottom panels. First, I'm reducing the thickness on the pine side. Now I'm planing the top and bottom material to the final thickness. Now I'm gluing up the core and the top and bottom material together. The panels are done drying, and I also drew out the shape of the handle on the material, so let's cut it out. I'm using a thin blade on the jigsaw so I can make the turns. Now I'm going to shape the knob that I cut from each panel, and I started off with making some stopping points. Now I'm shaping this block to the overall shape of the knob. Now I'm shaping the body of the knob until I'm satisfied with the shape. Thank you again to Sherman Harris for the comment and for being an OG to the channel. I've put a finish on the handles and the knobs. It's done drying now, so let me show it to you. I really like how both pieces came out, but I'm really leaning more towards the handles. They just look really good. Leave a comment on which set you would like to see installed on the boxes. Thank you for joining me on this project, and if you enjoyed it, please leave me a thumbs up and comment down below which set you would like to see installed. And if you want to see more projects, you gotta be subscribed. Laters.